Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic.
Describe an interesting person that you have not met in person and would like to know more about. You should say who this person is, how you knew him or her, what interesting things he or she has done, and explain what you would like to know more about him or her. So, before I jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So, for a question like this, you can talk about any kind of famous personality, maybe a famous actor or an actress, or maybe a good sports person like Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, or even like maybe some kind of business tycoons like Ratan Tata or maybe Mark Cuban. So, you can use any of these ideas for a question like this. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Meetings help in learning more about the people around us and assist to expand our horizons and understand the bigger picture of life as a whole. And today, I would like to speak about the famous Canadian singer Justin Bieber. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I first saw the pop singer performing at a concert held in Toronto in 2018 and since then have become a huge fan of his mellifluous voice. So, mellifluous means having a melodious voice, having a sweet or a beautiful voice. So, we have used a better vocabulary word here instead of saying good voice or a beautiful voice. Furthermore, Bieber had debuted with his super solo song "Baby" when he was merely 15 years old, which caught attention not just in North America but all around the world as well. He is also involved in the songwriting process and co-writes a lot of his own music while teaming up with other songwriters and professional producers. The Hollywood style icon has his unique fashion quotient, having skater looks or wearing sporting western wear. Besides that, he has bagged a lot of music awards during his entire career and has been nominated several times for the Grammys Award, out of which he bagged a couple of Grammy Awards as well. Bagged means won. Past tense of win is won, WON. So, as you all can see, we have given a very good and a relevant elaboration for the third question, which is what interesting things he or she has done. Also, as you all can see, instead of repeating Bieber or Justin Bieber again and again, we have used some good synonyms and good ways to describe the personality. Like we have used pop singer, we said Hollywood style icon. So, all these will enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Finally, I would like to know how he keeps himself grounded and maintains such humble demeanor every single day despite all the global craze, and would also like to obtain insights about his upcoming projects and releases. So, grounded means someone who is staying down to earth. Humble means kind. Demeanor means behavior or manner. And insights means to gain more knowledge or information.
Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.